struggled with my hijab, and I really wanted a product that would keep up with me. And so this thought came to mind. It all happened very quickly. I brought the sketch and idea to social media, and the world kind of fell in love with it. It went viral on Twitter kind of overnight, but then the other half of the audience was saying, this is going to be stolen in 24 hours. You young designers don't know what you're doing, and you shouldn't be loudly sharing your designs without protection. And so I kind of rushed into figuring out the legal side of everything. And no, I didn't have a mentor. I kind of just found you guys, and we've been rolling ever since. In the beginning, I was really terrified because I obviously didn't know what I was stepping into. I just know that a lot of work was happening behind the scenes, and when things came back to me, I pretty much just had to approve, like, okay, good to go. But it gave me a lot of insight about what the legal side of things look like and how I should be presenting my product and the wording that I should be using. And I know that when we then came back to do the international patent, I felt 100% secure. Like, I knew we had it covered because I had already gone through it for the US. It was kind of like I had to learn as I went.
But hopefully it sounds like Bolt took a lot of that burden off of your shoulders.
Yeah. Everyone knows what a hoodie is. In the neckline is where we sew in the elastic hijab. So it's meant for on-the-day use, like every single day. It's meant to take the thinking out of getting ready.
You mentioned you've gotten the patent not just in the US, but also in the UK.
Yeah.
And sales 30 plus countries, very important.
And right after them would be the UAE. Surprisingly, a lot of our bigger orders, like they're getting 5+ items at a time, is always in the UAE. So massive potential. It's clear that the demand is still there. So it's like, we're back. And
love it.
And
love it.
I'm excited. Focus on all the variables that you actually have control over, because it will bring you peace, and it is something that you can take action towards. And as for my second tip, it would be find the experts and let them do their jobs, especially Bold, for example, so that you can have peace of mind and you can focus on the things that matter to you.